Okay, let us continue with the next example. Implement f of a b c is equal to summation of 1 4 1 4 5 7 using 4 is to 1 mux, right? So we will implement this function using 4 is to 1 mux, right? So here in the question he has not given which inputs you need to select as you need to take as select lines, uh, and the other input goes on this data line, right? So what we will do in such cases, you can take, it is left to you, you can either select a and b as select line, b and c as select line, or you can select either you can select a and c as a select line, right? So we will implement this design using two methods. In first method I'll take a and b as a select lines. Okay, so we'll take a and b as select lines, and in second method we'll take b and c as select lines. Okay, so how the design differs, that we will see now. Okay, so first I'll explain with truth table, right? So then we will see the k-map. Okay, the first method we'll see a b c, right? Again truth table, there are 3 inputs total, we will be having 8 combinations, right? Write all those 8 combinations, 3 4 this is 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, so the decimal values here, it goes like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now f is equal to 0 for 0, 1 for 1, 2 0 3 0 4 1 5 1 6 0 7 1, right? Now again group as I told in the last problem, right? So the last column is data line to be connected to, data line to be connected to. Compare again, say see a and b I am taking as select line, so c goes on data line, right? C goes on data line, right? So compare again, same as the previous example. So what is the data? C is 0 here, C is 1, F is 0, F is 1, so they are same. So D0 is equal to C. Next D1 is equal to, what is D1 equal to? Both outputs are 0, so D1 is directly you can write D1 as 0. So D2, both outputs are high, so D2 can be written as 1. D3 same as C, because C is 0, output is 0, C is 1, output is 1, so D3 is also equal to C. Now if I design this, how it looks, see, output is F, there are 2 select lines, S1 and S0. S1 is MSB, S0 is LSB. So MSB, in the given function, A is MSB and B is LSB, right? Actually C is LSB, but we are connecting only A and B as to the select lines, so B will act as LSB. So A is connected to S1, B is connected to S0, then we'll connect the data lines D1, D2, D3, and enable is connected to ground because it is active low. To enable this particular IC 74153, we will connect enable to ground. So what is D0? According to our design, we will make this connection. So D0 is connected to C, D1 is connected to ground, right? Because D1 is equal to 0 here. D2 is connected to 1, or you can connect it to VCC. Then D3 is also connected to C. Correct? So now the analyzing part of this design I will leave it to you, right? So we will verify it using k-map, right? So whichever you feel comfortable, right? So I am not recommending any of these methods, right? So whichever you feel comfortable, you can follow that method. Either you go with the truth table or you can go with the k-map, right? So there are three variables in the given function, so we will take three variable k-map, and we will do grouping accordingly, right? Now 0 1, fill these cells. 2 is 0, 3 is 0, 4 1, 5 1, 6 0, 7 1, right? So now again A and B are selected as select lines, are taken as select lines. So identify where A is equal to 0, first two combinations. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. So A is equal to 0 here, B equal to 0. So and A is equal to 0, B equal to 0. So these two cells you need to group, right? And compare. If they are different, then compare it with the third variable. C is 0, C is 1, so output is 0, output is 1. So they are same. So what is D naught equal to? This is equal to D naught, which is equal to C, right? Is it same as a previous method? Yes. Next, A is 0, A is 0, B is 1, A is 0, B is 1. Identify those cells. A is 0, B is 1 here, B is 1 here. So these two cells, right? Output is 0, output is 0. So D1 is equal to 0. D1 is equal to 0. Next, input combination is 1 0, right? Identify where A is 0, sorry, A is 1, B is 0, B is 0 here, B is 0 here. So group them, right? Both the outputs are high, so D2 is equal to 1. And the last combination, compare it with C. This is D3, which is equal to C, right? So D0 is C, that we got using the truth table. D1 is 0, D1 is 0, same as truth table. D2 is 1, D2 is 1 in k-map, and D3 is C, D3 is C, right? So using both the methods, you will get the same answer, okay? Next, we'll take B and C as select line, okay? So in this second method, we will take B and C as select lines, okay? So what changes occur, how to identify the cells, and how to identify the rows in a truth table, that we will see, right? So I'll keep A, B, C, the truth table as it is, the order of input variables also as it is, okay? Now, but we are connecting B and C as select lines. We are connecting B and C to select lines. So S1, S0, S1 is MSB, S0 is LSB, right? So identify now. I am going to connect these two. I am going to connect B and C to S1 and S0, right? So which is MSB here? Out of these two, which is MSB? B is MSB and C is LSB, right? So C needs to be connected to S0 and B needs to be connected to S1, right? Next, fill out this truth table, finish this truth table, okay? So now A will appear on data line because we are connecting B and C to select line, so A will appear on data line. So what is the function? Just observe, it is 0, right? So first I'll write the input combinations: 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1, right? So the decimal equivalents are 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay? So 1 output is 1, 2 there is no 2, 0, 3 is not there, 4 is there, so 1, 5 is there, yes, 1, 6 is not there, so 0, 7 is there, 1, right? So now identify where B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 0, because B and C will take 4 different values: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Similar to the previous truth table, these combinations are not arrive in order now. They are not in order. You have to search in the truth table where B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 0. See, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 0. Check for one more combination, right? So 0 0, right? So what is the value of A here? What is the value of A here? It is 0. And what is the value of A here? It is 1, right? So now the data line to be connected to, the data line to be connected to, right? So what will be this column connected to, right? What will be this column? Now I have to compare F with what? With, correct, with A, right? So now F is 0, A is 0, F is 1, F is 0, A is 0, F is 1, A is 1. So output is equal to, for these two combinations, D naught is equal to what? What is D naught is equal to? A, correct? Next, we'll take next input combination, that is 0, 1. Next, identify 0, 1, where B is 0, C is 1. This combination and this combination, right? So what is the value of A here? A is 0, A is 1. So what is the corresponding values of F? F is 1, F is 1. So both outputs are high. So D1 needs to be connected to 1, right? Because output is high irrespective of the values of A. Here you see A is 0, output is 1, A is 1, output is 1. So it is not changing according to A. With respect to A, it is not changing. So D1 will be equal to 1, right? Next, 1, 0. The third input combination is 1, 0. Identify where it is. 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, right? So what is the value of A here? A is 0, A is 1, right? So compare it with F. F is 0, F is 0 for both the combinations irrespective of the value of A. F is 0, so D2 is equal to 0. And coming to the last one, that is 1, 1, right? 1, 1. What is the value of A? What is the value of A here? It is 1. What is the value of A here? It is 1, right? For 1, 1, A is 1, A is 0, output is 0. A is 1, output is 1. It is, output is same as A. So D3 is equal to A, right? So now connect now. Enable, which is active low, needs to be connected to ground, right? Next, D0, D1, D2, D3, right? So D0 is A, I'll connect A to D0. D1 is 1, I'll connect 1 to D1. D2 is 0, connected to ground, right? And D3 is also A, I'll short both D0 and D3, right? So these two are shorted and connected to A. So you analyze this design. Okay, now we will verify the same using what? A K-map. Okay, we will verify this using K-map. Okay, whether the design will match or no, right? So now which all cells you need to identify, that is important, right? So it is left to you, either you go with truth table method or a K-map method, right? So that method will not be told in the question. Okay, so he'll just tell design this function using mux. Okay, now put a 3 variable K map, put a 3 variable K map, right? A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, right? Now F is 0 for 0, output is 1 for 1, it is 0 for 2, it is 0 for 3, 4, 1, 1, 0, 1, right? Now 0, see, identify where B is equal to 0, C is equal to 0, these two, right? So you need to group these two cells. You need to group these two cells. Again, compare these grouped cells with group cell values with the value of A. Is it matching? Right? So A is 0, 1, output is also 0, 1, right? So what is D0? D0 is equal to A, right? So is it matching? Yes, right? Next, 0, 1, when B is 0, C is 1, right? So these two columns, group them, right? Output is 1 irrespective of the value of A. So D1 is equal to 1. Is it matching with the D1 of a truth table? Yes. Next, where is 1 0? Third combination, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 0. These two cells, right? Output is 0 irrespective of value of A. So D2 will be equal to 0. Is it matching with D2 of truth table? Yes. Next, the last combination 0 1, compare it with the value of A. Again, output is same as A. So D3 can be written as A, right? Is it matching? Yes, right? So the design will remain same whichever method you use, right? So either you go with a truth table method, or you can solve it using what? A K-map method. Okay. Now I'll give you one homework example where you can try it out. Design f of x, y, z. Instead of a, b, c, I'll take input variables as x, y, z. 0 1 3 4 5, right? So design this using will design it using three different methods in the sense three different select lines, right? Instead of methods we will use three different select lines. In first type we will use x and y as select lines. Okay, in first type we'll use x and y as select lines. In second type we'll use y and z as select lines. Okay, and in third type we'll use x and z as select lines. Okay, so verify these all types using both the methods, right? Verifying both the methods, right? So which are the methods? One is truth table method. Second one is the K-map method, right? So using both the methods you verify all these three types. Okay, so then you will get a confidence of designing a Boolean function using 4:1 mux. Okay, for today's class this is it. Okay, in next class we will discuss how to design again a Boolean function which is having 4 variables using 8:1 mux, right? So in that case also, or we will use both, that is 8:1 mux as well as 4:1 mux. Okay, thank you.